What's the matter?
The man of my dreams, he just broke my heart.
What'd he do?
But he was going to propose to me. And he didn't. He broke up with me. With some other, like, platinum blonde girl.
What exactly was his name?
Mark.
What did this Mark look like?
Sandy blonde hair, silverish blue eyes. What, do you know him?
Yes, he is my accursed brother, Apollo!
Hello.
He goes by many, many different names.
By the way, who are you two?
I am Artemis.
And I'm Zoe.
Artemis, Zoe, exactly where are you from?
Canada.
Canada?
Yes, we are from Canada. Eh?
And I'm from Asia.
You don't sound Asian, you sound more European.
My father, he was European, but I grew up in Asia.
I wish you could help me.
We can.
How?
All you have to do is
Say a few simple words.
and join something we like to call the hunt.
Hunt? Of what?
Would you like to explain that one? Do you know about the Greek gods and goddesses?
Of course, I've read all about them. Several stories.
Well, do you know who Apollo is?
Yes, god of the sun. Her twin brother.
Then you know that I am Artemis, goddess of the moon and eternal maiden, at your service.
I'm pretty sure you were lying about Canada.
I need to work on that.
Yeah, let's go with that.
I need to work on that.
Pretty sure you're not the goddess of lies.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Apollo should have gotten that instead of god of truth.
Apollo being truthful. Come on, let's take into these days.
Okay, I understand nothing, but I think that's what with you.
I like her.
Anyway, to join the hunt, all you need to do is a few simple vows. But you will be immortal and live forever, except that you can't fall back.
And the one thing that most girls will turn their back on
Is men.
I think I'm ready to make that choice, but one problem. What would I do about my family? All 21 of my siblings and my parents.
We would be in your home. You would come
A
back.
sisterhood. Free of
Wonderful.
responsibilities.
It sounds wonderful.
Zoe?
Okay, I'll do it.
I agree to the terms of the hunt.
I agree to the terms of the hunt.
I will turn my back on the company of men
I will turn my back on the company of men
and serve Lady Omnix,
and serve Lady Uranus.
no matter what. And if Lady Omnix agrees, he will be. I agree.
Thank you.
A new sister has joined us.
Thank you.
Now first I think we should go yell our heads off at Apollo.
Great idea.
Oh, hold on.
When do I get my bow?
He's off shift.
Darn.
Zeus,
That'll give us enough time to go get a
Perfect.
few bows.
let's go yell at Zeus.
Good idea.
Come on. And he loves me. I'm his favorite daughter.